What's the meaning of Arabic numeral? Arabic numeral. Arabic numeral.
Arabic numeral. Arabic numeral. Arabic numerals are a set of 10 symbols used in writing and representing numbers in the decimal system. These symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They are based on the Hindu Arabic numeral system, which was introduced to Europe by Arab mathematicians in the 10th century. This numeral system is now widely used and is considered the standard way of writing numbers around the world. Arabic numerals have replaced the Roman numerals, which were used before their introduction, due to its simplicity and ease of use.